Onychectomy, more popularly known as decline, is when a cat undergoes surgery to have the distal phalange, or last bones, of their foot amputated along with the claw. Decline is an elective procedure, meaning there is usually no medical reason to perform one, and it is usually done at owner request to prevent cats from destructive or injurious behaviors. Because the claw originates from germinal tissue in the third phalanx of the paw, the bone must be removed in order to prevent a risk of regrowth. However, some declawed cats retain their third phalanx in order to allow the cat to have more normalized function and appearance. The equivalent in a human would be to remove the nail and amputate the finger at the first, smallest knuckle of the hand. Reasons to have a cat declawed may include protecting furniture or door frames, as scratching behavior complaints that damage property account for about 1/5 of the cases of decline. Protecting people with compromised immune systems who may not withstand infection spread from dirty cat claw scratches that break the skin. Protecting other pets, like small dogs, young animals, or birds. Decline is a better alternative to relinquishment, outdoor housing, or euthanasia. Cats who are indoor only after decline usually live longer lives. And if the decline is performed properly, then it is usually considered no less humane than spaying or neutering. Many declawed cats end up with prolonged health issues, though. The surgery is intense and requires pain medicine both before and after surgery. Limb function can be affected post-surgery due to bandages, but even for up to 2 weeks, cats may not be able to walk normally. Because it is a major surgery, many complications can occur, including hemorrhaging, infection, and inflammation. Post-surgery, cats may experience paralysis, reopening of the wound, and in 3% of cases, the claws grow back anyways. The longer the surgery, the higher the increase for lameness, especially if the surgery was done with a scalpel or instead of a laser. After losing that distal bone in their paws, cats are forced to walk in a guarded position, which can often lead to chronic pain, arthritis, and weakening of the muscles associated with the shoulders and torso because of how important it is for cats to use their claws to stretch out their muscles. Cats without claws have stunted social responses, may not be able to climb or balance as well, and may even experience emotional distress that leads to biting behaviors or depression. In shelters, declawed cats tend to stay an average of 36% longer. Claws are vital to a cat's ability to defend themselves or catch prey. They even use the muscles associated with claws to stretch, relieve stress, and mark their territory. The reason for decline should never be because of potential zoonotic illness risk, because that is not going to adversely affect a cat. They are built to have and live with their claws. And the United States is the only Western Hemisphere country where decline for non-medical purposes is not banned. 17 out of 20 veterinarians said that they will present alternatives to cat owners, but will still declaw if the owner insists and refuses alternative options. Alternatives to decline a cat can include frequent nail trimming, providing scratching posts and toys, persistent training to dissuade unwanted behaviors, and nail caps. Nail caps prevent the sharp part of the claw from causing damage while still allowing a cat to retract and use their nails. They protect furniture and skin and will not cause physical or emotional distress. The best news is that caps can be put on at home without the added expense of a vet visit. Many cat owners feel the stress and frustration of dealing with the behaviors that damage furniture or injure family members and other pets. But there are ways to deal with these unwanted behaviors without having to resort to decline. Some veterinarians may even refuse to do a declawing surgery if there is no medical reason. This, however, can lead to owners giving up their pets to shelters. With declawing alternatives, hopefully cats and their owners can be happy and live together without distress.